What's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a good time. I want to use this opportunity to say Happy New Year to you guys. Happy New Year to you all. Welcome you all to 2024. I've been a little bit down, that's why I have not uploaded any video. This is the very first video I'll be posting in year 2024. So I want to say Happy New Year to you all. Hope you guys are all having a good time. And I pray that this year is going to be an amazing year. It's going to be a fulfilling year for all of us in general. Thank you all. Happy New Year. If you have any question, you can drop it under this video. I've gotten a lot of people that are asking about the ready to wear class. We did the ready to wear class last year and we still have all of the infos in the class still available. You can still join. However, I'm going to be adding the practical part of the class this year. So the people that are inside of the class from last year, we also have access to the same practical stuff this year also, including how to cut and sew a shirt, all of the cutting aspect. The previous one we did was all theoretical. The only practical in the class is how to cut a short necker. So I'll be adding all the other ones to it this year. So if you want to join, you can go ahead and make your payment, enroll, have access to the previous class. I'll be starting production on Monday, which is going to be on the 8th of January, which is next week. I'll start my production, both video and even manufacturing, on Monday. So I welcome you all to 2024. 2024 is going to be an amazing year for all of us. And you can go ahead and enroll for any of the class you want, both our beginners, advanced or professional. Either one you want to go ahead and enroll. And I will see you in the class, and I will see you in the subsequent videos that I will be posting. That will be about it. Do have a lovely rest of your day. And to the head, salute. Bye bye. See you.